Not all crawl space and foundation repair companies are created equal. Unfortunately, this is an industry where integrity can easily be compromised and corners can be cut without being noticed. Because of this, it's crucial to choose a trustworthy and transparent partner for your crawl space, foundation repair, inspections, and repairs. At HydroHelp911, we believe that meeting face-to-face with all vested parties is paramount. In this video, we'll explain why it's essential for everyone involved to be present during our inspections. And don't worry, we aren't here to press you into signing during our meeting. We simply want everyone to be informed and on the same page. Welcome, homeowners. We understand that the process of selecting a crawl space company can be overwhelming, especially considering the varying quality of services offered in this market. That's why we emphasize the importance of personal meetings and transparency throughout our inspection process. We want our customers to be as educated as possible when making these big decisions. Face-to-face meetings diffuse 80% of ambiguity and confusion. By having all decision makers present during our inspections, we ensure that everyone is on the same page, fully informed, and aware of the specific issues and solutions related to their home. After all, it has taken us years to learn our knowledge and how to properly correct crawl space and foundation issues. We would never want to ask you to try and retain all that information and explain it to a party who is unable to make the inspection meeting. As a side note, we typically see these situations most with older homeowners that have adult children, who may be involved in the decision-making process but unable to attend, or who don't even know that the inspection is taking place. Trust us, we understand the concerns and skepticism that can arise when dealing with these high prices. That's why we take the time to explain the value of our services and how they benefit the entire family, which makes it important for everyone to be on the same page. With all that being said, we encourage you to refer to our videos that showcase the stark differences between various companies and ourselves. By witnessing these comparisons, you'll gain a better understanding of why our prices are justified. Just for an example, we have a dedicated service department to service all of your concerns or future service needs. Our commitment to quality, expertise, and comprehensive solutions sets us apart from the rest. And listen, at HydroHelp911, we pride ourselves on transparency, honesty, and integrity. We believe that by having all decision makers present during our inspections, we build trust and establish a solid foundation for a successful partnership. Make an informed decision. Contact HydroHelp911 today and schedule a face-to-face meeting for your crawl space or foundation inspections. Together, we'll ensure your home's crawl space and foundation is in safe hands.